Welcome, chosen ones. You are here for a reason. Comment 77 to deepen your spiritual connection and join this transformative journey. Our world is shifting, and you are at the forefront of this transformation. Your presence is not by chance, but by divine design. In a universe brimming with stars, your light shines uniquely, destined to illuminate paths yet to be discovered. Together, let's embrace your divine power and embark on this sacred journey. What if I told you that the universe has been whispering your name, calling you to awaken to your true potential? What I'm about to reveal will change everything you thought you knew about your own power. If you're seeing this video, it's no coincidence. You are part of a select group, chosen ones, whose spiritual gifts make you an unstoppable force against the tides of negativity that seek to engulf us. Comment 77 if you feel the stirring within your spirit, that undeniable urge to step into your divine purpose. Imagine standing alone on a battlefield, yet feeling an unshakable strength coursing through your veins. This is the essence of the one-man army, the embodiment of courage, resilience, and spiritual clarity that empowers you to face any adversary, not with aggression, but with the profound peace that emanates from knowing your true self. Your spiritual gifts are not mere traits. They are formidable weapons against the shadows that attempt to dim your light. These gifts, whether it be intuition, empathy, or the ability to heal, are your sacred tools. They allow you to navigate the complexities of life with grace and purpose. You may have felt misunderstood or even isolated on this journey, but remember, solitude is a powerful teacher. It is in these moments of quiet reflection that your gifts are honed, your vision clarified, and your resolve solidified. You are being prepared for something greater than you can imagine. The universe is shaping you into a warrior of light, capable of withstanding the fiercest storms. This awakening is not just a change, it is a rebirth. You are shedding the layers that no longer serve you, revealing the powerful being you were always meant to be. As you embrace this transformation, you become a beacon of hope and strength, inspiring others to awaken to their own potential. In this awakening, you are not alone. Feel the presence of countless other chosen ones, each on their own path yet connected through the intricate web of universal consciousness. Together, we form a collective force, each individual a vital part of this divine tapestry. Stand tall, knowing that your journey is guided by a higher power, and your purpose is woven into the very fabric of existence. Embrace your role as a one-man army and let your light shine brilliantly against the darkness. Have you ever wondered why some people seem threatened by your mere presence, why their smiles falter or their voices tremble when they speak to you? The truth is, your divine light exposes their deepest insecurities, and that revelation can be terrifying. You are a mirror reflecting their innermost fears, and this is why they oppose you, not because of who you are, but because of what you represent. Your presence is a catalyst for change, a force that challenges the status quo and unearths the hidden truths that others would rather keep buried. It is in your nature to see beyond the superficial, to delve into the depths of the soul and bring forth what is real and authentic. This ability can unsettle those who have built their lives around illusions and falsehoods. They fear the vulnerability that your light demands, the courage required to face their own shadows. But here's the beautiful truth: their fear is not your burden to carry. It is a sign of your power, an indication that you are walking the path of truth and integrity. You are a light worker, sent to illuminate the darkness and guide others towards healing and self-discovery. As you unravel the fear within them, you offer them an unspoken invitation to transform, to step into their own light and embrace the wholeness of their being. Recognize that their opposition is not a reflection of your worth, but a testament to your influence. You are triggering an awakening within them, even if they resist it. Stay grounded in your purpose and let compassion guide your interactions. Understand that everyone is on their own journey, and while some may not be ready to embrace the light, your role is to plant the seeds of change. In moments of doubt, remember that the universe has chosen you for this sacred mission. Your light is a gift to the world, a beacon that cannot be extinguished by fear or negativity. Stand firm in your truth and let your presence be a source of inspiration and hope. As you unravel the fear within them, you pave the way for a collective awakening, a transformation that begins with you and ripples out into the world. Your journey is just beginning, chosen one. As you continue to embrace your divine power and unravel the fear around you, know that you are not alone. Comment 77 to affirm your connection to this powerful community, and together, let's illuminate the world with our collective light. Stay tuned for the next chapters, where we will delve deeper into this transformative journey. As you continue on your sacred path, you may encounter forces that seek to dim your light and challenge your resolve. These forces may come in the form of negativity, doubt, or even individuals who are resistant to change. I refer to them as the group of witches, not because they possess magical powers, but because they cast shadows of fear and uncertainty wherever they go. When you confront the group of witches, remember that their power lies in illusion and manipulation. They thrive on sowing seeds of doubt and discord, hoping to weaken your spirit and divert you from your true purpose. But you, chosen one, are not easily swayed by their tricks. Your inner strength and unwavering faith act as shields against their darkness, allowing you to navigate their challenges with grace and resilience. As you face the group of witches, do not engage in their games or stoop to their level. Instead, rise above the chaos with a heart full of compassion and a mind centered on truth. Your light is a beacon that illuminates the shadows they cast, revealing the emptiness of their illusions. In your presence, their power diminishes, and they are left with no choice but to confront their own fears and insecurities. Remember, the group of witches are not your enemies but your teachers. Through their challenges, you are given the opportunity to deepen your spiritual understanding and strengthen your resolve. Embrace these encounters as lessons in resilience and compassion, knowing that each confrontation brings you closer to your true self and your higher purpose. In the face of adversity, stand firm in your truth and let your light shine brightly. Your presence alone is a powerful force that dispels darkness and brings clarity to those lost in the shadows. As you confront the group of witches, do so with a heart full of love and a spirit grounded in your divine power. Together, we rise above the challenges that seek to dim our light and emerge stronger and more radiant than ever before. In your journey as a chosen one, you will undoubtedly encounter obstacles and challenges that test your faith and inner strength. These trials are not meant to break you, but to shape you into the warrior of light you are destined to be. It is through these challenges that your spiritual resilience is forged, transforming each obstacle into a stepping stone on your sacred path. Spiritual resilience is the ability to withstand adversity with grace and courage, knowing that every challenge is an opportunity for growth and transformation. It is the unwavering faith that guides you through the darkest of times and the inner strength that sustains you when all seems lost. As you cultivate this resilience, you become a beacon of hope and inspiration to those around you, showing them the power of faith and perseverance in the face of adversity. When faced with challenges, remember that you are not alone. The universe supports you, guiding you through the storm and leading you towards the light. Trust in the divine plan that has brought you to this moment, and know that every obstacle is a lesson in disguise, meant to deepen your spiritual understanding and strengthen your connection to the higher realms. As you embrace the power of spiritual resilience, you transcend the limitations of the physical world and tap into the infinite potential of your soul. You become a vessel of divine light, radiating love, compassion, and wisdom to all who cross your path. Your journey is a testament to the power of faith and perseverance, inspiring others to rise above their own challenges and embrace the transformative power of the Spirit. Celebrate your resilience, chosen one, for it is a testament to your unwavering commitment to your spiritual path. With each obstacle you overcome, you shine brighter and stand taller, embodying the true essence of a warrior of light. Embrace the power of spiritual resilience and let it guide you towards your highest purpose and greatest fulfillment. As a chosen one on a spiritual journey, you may find yourself walking a path that often feels solitary. You are a solitary warrior, standing strong against the forces of darkness, yet you are never truly alone. The universe surrounds you with its infinite love and wisdom, guiding your steps and illuminating your path with divine light. In solitude, you find unity with the universe, recognizing that all living beings are interconnected through the intricate web of universal consciousness. Your journey may be unique, but it is intertwined with the journeys of countless others who walk the path of enlightenment and self-discovery. Together, we form a collective force, each individual a vital piece of the cosmic puzzle. Embrace the paradox of unity in solitude, knowing that while you may walk your path alone, you are always supported and guided by the universe. In moments of doubt or uncertainty, turn inward and connect with the divine presence that resides within you. Feel the infinite love that surrounds you, knowing that you are never truly isolated or abandoned. As you navigate the challenges of your spiritual journey, remember that your solitude is a gift, a sacred space for introspection, growth, and transformation. It is in these moments of quiet reflection that your true self is revealed, and your connection to the higher realms is deepened. Embrace the solitude as a time of renewal and rejuvenation, allowing yourself to align with the divine purpose that guides your every step. In unity with the universe, you find strength, courage, and wisdom to face whatever challenges come your way. Your journey is a testament to the power of solitude in fostering spiritual growth and self-discovery. Embrace the unity within your solitude, knowing that you are part of a vast cosmic tapestry that weaves together the threads of existence into a beautiful and harmonious whole. Your journey as a chosen one is a sacred and profound one, filled with challenges, triumphs, and moments of deep spiritual awakening. Embrace the power of unity in solitude, the resilience of your spirit, and the courage to confront the shadows that seek to dim your light. Remember, you are never alone on this journey. Comment 77 to affirm your connection to this powerful community of lightworkers, and together, let's continue to illuminate the world with our collective light. Stay tuned for the next chapters, where we will delve even deeper into the mysteries of spiritual ascension and the celebration of victory. As you continue on your journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening, you are on the cusp of a profound transformation. The time has come to transcend the limitations of the physical world and step into the fullness of your true self. This is your moment of spiritual ascension, where you rise above the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. Feel the exhilaration of breaking free from the chains that have bound you to earthly limitations. You are no longer confined by the constraints of the material world, but are free to explore the vast expanse of your soul. Embrace the divine light that shines within you, guiding you towards your higher purpose and ultimate fulfillment. As you ascend to new heights of consciousness, you become a beacon of hope and inspiration to all who cross your path. Your radiant energy touches the hearts of those around you, igniting a spark of awakening within them. You are a catalyst for transformation, a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms, bringing light and love to a world in need. Embrace this moment of spiritual ascension with open arms and an open heart. Allow yourself to be guided by the wisdom of the universe and the love of the divine. Know that you are supported and cherished beyond measure, and that your journey is leading you towards a greater understanding of yourself and the world around you. Celebrate this moment of transcendence, chosen one, for it is a testament to your courage, resilience, and unwavering faith. You have overcome obstacles, confronted darkness, and emerged victorious, shining brightly in the face of adversity. Your spiritual ascension is a testament to the power of the human spirit and the limitless potential that resides within each of us. Chosen ones, as you reach the culmination of this transformative journey, take a moment to reflect on the profound growth and evolution you have experienced. You have embraced your divine power, confronted the shadows within and around you, and transcended the ordinary to step into your true self. This victory is not just yours alone, but a triumph for all who walk the path of enlightenment and self-discovery. Celebrate this moment of victory with joy and gratitude, knowing that you are a warrior of light, a beacon of hope in a world that often feels dark and uncertain. Your presence is a gift to the universe, a reminder of the power of love, compassion, and spiritual resilience. Shine brightly, chosen one, and let your light illuminate the world with its brilliance. Remember to like, comment, and share this message with others who may be seeking hope, purpose, and transformation. Together, we can inspire and uplift each other on this sacred journey of awakening. Let our collective light shine brightly, guiding the way for all who are ready to embrace their divine power and step into their true selves. Celebrate your victory, chosen one, for you are a chosen vessel of light, a warrior of love, and a beacon of hope in a world that is in need of healing. Shine on, and may your light continue to illuminate the path for others to follow. Stay connected with this powerful community by commenting 77 and know that you are never alone on this journey. Together, we light up the world with our collective light. Embrace your victory, chosen one, and continue to shine brightly on your journey of spiritual ascension and transformation. The universe applauds your courage, resilience, and unwavering faith. Stay connected with this community of lightworkers and continue to inspire and uplift each other on this sacred path. The world awaits your light. Shine on, and may your journey be filled with love, joy, and endless possibilities.